The second part of the budget session of Parliament began on a stormy note. Government was cornered by the members from different political parties on issues like rape, coal block allocation, leak of 2G JPC report and heckling of Mamata Banerjee during her Delhi visit. Demand of separate Telangana was also taken up by Congress MPs and TDP MP. Immediately after the obituary references, the question hour was first washed out amid uproar over different issues. A number of BJP members were seen in the well-raising slogans against the incidents of rapes across the country. They were demanding action against the perpetrators. BJP and DMK had sought immediate discussion on 2G JPC issue. DMK sought the removal of PC Chacko as chairman of the Joint Parliamentary Committee for allegedly leaking the draft report.
DMK has given a privileged notice to the Honorable Speaker today against the leakage of draft report by the JPC chairman even before it reaches to the members of the JPC. And we will insist upon taking up the matter today during the just on the start of this session.
Sir, will you be asking for the removal of JPC chairman?
Yes, definitely. It goes without saying. It goes without saying. We will definitely ask the removal of the chairman.
ये एक ड्राफ्ट रिपोर्ट है। ड्राफ्ट रिपोर्ट के ऊपर संयुक्त संसदीय समिति में बहस होगी और उसके बहस होने के बाद एक निष्कर्ष निकलेगा। तो कभी-कभी ऐसा लगता है कि राजनीतिक फायदा लेने के लिए कुछ हमारे जो मित्र हैं वो कभी-कभी बयान देते हैं, तो उस चीज से, उस प्रवृत्ति से बचने की जरूरत है।
रिपोर्ट अडॉप्ट होने के पहले कॉन्फिडेंशियल रहता है, लेकिन सिलेक्टिव लीक हुआ है। इसका जांच होना चाहिए। जो दोषी है और उनके साथ जिसका संपर्क था, प्रधानमंत्री चाहे वित्त मंत्री, उन लोगों को रक्षा करने के लिए, उन लोगों को अलग करने के लिए रिपोर्ट बनाया गया। हम इसका विरोध करेंगे और इसको उठाएंगे हम हाउस में।
Rajya Sabha also witnessed a disruption of 15 minutes in question hour. The issue was accepting notice for its suspension. Chairman Hamid Ansari accepted notice by V. Methrian of AIADMK for discussion on the role of CBI in coal block allocation case out of 8 notices as it was received first. Ravi Shankar Prasad of BJP wanted discussion on leakage of draft JPC report on 2G scam. Left and BSP members too were on their feet raising separate issues, with some of them displaying banners. The issue was hotly debated during 0 hour and finally House was adjourned till 2 p.m. when it was decided to discuss issue of violence against women.
सीबीआई का दुरुपयोग करके ये सरकार सत्ता में बनी है। जिस तरह से उसका कांग्रेस ने दुरुपयोग किया है और पीएसी एक संवैधानिक कमेटी है, उसमें जिस तरह से उधम मचाया था उन्होंने, तो ये उनका प्रयास बिल्कुल साफ है कि वो प्रधानमंत्री, वित्त मंत्री और उनके भ्रष्टाचार को बचाना चाहते हैं। जेपीसी के मुद्दे पर हम बिल्कुल अड़िग है कि जिस तरह से ये घोटाले पर पर्दा डालने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, हम नहीं होने देंगे।
Move the motion that in pursuance of Rule 267 of the Rules of the Procedure and Conduct of Business in the Rajya Sabha, this House do suspend Rule 38 of the said rule in its application to the discussion on the role of CBI in the Colgate scam.
TMC members protested in the parliament premises against the heckling of its leader. Acting immediately, the government arrested 5 SFI activists, including its General Secretary, Vitabrata Bandyopadhyay. Parliament Desk, DD News.